Hey guys, this is a red color India post truck. Look at this guys, this is looking very attractive. This is the front wheel and the back wheels. Nice. Now we can take it to the track. This is a white color big ambulance. Look at this guys, ambulance service number. This is the front wheel and the back wheels. Nice. Now we can take it to the track. This is a yellow color school bus. Headlights, number plate. This is the front wheel, back wheels. We can open its back gate also. Nice. Now we can take it to the track. This is a white color ambulance. Look at this guys, headlights, front wheel, back wheels. We can open the back doors also. We can see some medical equipment here. Nice. Now we can take it to the track. This is a blue color baby bus. Baby bus badging we can see here. This is the front wheel and the back wheels. We have similar yellow color baby bus. Nice. Now we can take both the bus to the track. This is a black color Pajero. Headlights, front wheel and the back wheels. We have similar white color Pajero also. We can open the door. We can open all the doors. Now we can take both the Pajero to the track. This is an Iron Man car. Iron Man logo, front wheel, back wheels. We have similar Captain America car also. Look at this guys. We can start both the car from here. Nice. Now we can take to the track. This is a blue color military bus. Wheels. Nice. We can open the rooftop also. We can put anything here. We have similar brown color military truck also. Look at this guys. Both are looking attractive. Now we can take it to the track. This is an auto rickshaw. Headlights, front wheel, back wheels. We can see one driver inside the auto rickshaw and space for the passengers. We have similar one more auto rickshaw. We can start this auto rickshaw from here. Nice. Now we can take it to the track. This is a white color police car. This is our Innova car. Headlights, front wheel, back wheels. Now we can take it to the track. This is also a black color police car. Look at this, guys. Front wheel, back wheels. This is a Fortuner car. Nice. Now we can take it to the track. This is a fire engine truck. Front wheel, back wheels. We can see one ladder here and space for sitting. We can increase the size of the ladder. Nice. We can take it to the track. This is a Bharat Post truck. We can see one driver inside the truck. Headlights, front wheel and the back wheels. As we can see one big container behind the truck and we can open the doors. Nice. Now we can take it to the track.